Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, we are going to dive into simple yet powerful project, a banking management system written in C. This project helps you understand how to manage bank accounts using basic C concepts like structures and arrays. Let's get started. So first, let's talk about what this program does. It allows users to create a bank account, deposit money into their account, withdraw money, check balance of their account, and it's pretty simple structure, but it helps demonstrate the fundamentals of managing data in C. We'll walk through the code step by step. The first thing you'll notice that we have included stdio.h for input output operation and string.h for string manipulation. This structure holds three pieces of information about each account number, an integer to store the unique account number, name, a character array to store account holder's name, balance, a float to store account balance. Pretty simple, right? Now let's move to the operation you can perform. First, let's look at the function to create a new account. This function takes existing list of accounts and adds a new one based on user input. Here the function prompts the user to enter the account number, name, and starting balance. Once the details are filled in, it increments the num accounts count and adds the account to the array. Simple enough to follow so far, right? Next up, we have deposit function. It allows the user to deposit money into their account. Here's how it works. First, it takes the account number, finds the account, and then adds the deposit amount to the balance. If the amount doesn't exist, it shows an error message. Now let's move on to withdrawing money. It's quite similar to depositing money, except this time we'll deduct the amount from the balance. This function does a balance check to ensure the user isn't withdrawing more money than they have. If the balance is sufficient, it processes the withdrawal and shows the new balance. Check balance function. Lastly, we have the check balance function, which simply prints the account balance. Once again, we search for the account using account number and print the current balance if the account is found. Speaking of searching, we have helper function called find account. This function loops through all the accounts to find one with a matching account number. If it finds the account, it returns the index. Otherwise, it returns -1. And that's it. Now you have a fully functional banking management system that can create accounts, deposit and withdraw money, and check balances. Keep in mind that since we are not using a database, everything resets when the program is restarted. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.